Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to jailbreak your Google TV and install apps that aren't available on the Play Store. I'm using a TCL Google TV for this tutorial, but the same process works on popular brands like Sony, Hisense, and any other TV running Android TV or Google TV OS. Alright, the first step is to open the menu at the top of the screen using your remote. Then, scroll all the way to the right and select the settings icon. This is where you can manage all your device settings. Scroll down, select System, and then choose About from the list. Now scroll down until you find Android TV OS Build. This is the most important step, so pay close attention. Click Android TV OS Build 7 times continuously. I'm going to do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Once you have done this, a message will appear on the screen saying that you are now a developer. This confirms that developer mode has been enabled successfully. Next, press the Home button on your remote. Now, we need to install an app called Downloader. Go back to the menu at the top of the screen and select Apps. Scroll down to the search bar and type Downloader. Alternatively, you can use the voice command button on your remote to find it instantly. As you can see, several Downloader apps may appear in the search results. Make sure you select the orange Downloader app, which should be the first option on the list. Click Install, and the Downloader app should be ready within a few moments. While it is downloading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Once Downloader has been installed, open the app. Then wait for it to load. Once it loads completely. Now select the URL box with the hashtag icon and enter the following downloader code, 85333602. This code will redirect you to the OMN TV Hacks downloader page, where I have organized essential Android apps into categories such as sports, IPTV players, kids apps, streaming apps, and VPNs. For example, if you want to install an app from the IPTV category, select the IPTV tab, scroll down, and choose the required app. All the apps are checked and updated regularly so you can always access the latest working versions. Once you find the app you want to install, click on it. The APK file will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, your Google TV device will ask you to allow Downloader to install apps from unknown sources. Select Settings, find Downloader, and enable the Allow from this source option. Click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Done. Downloader will then ask whether you want to delete the APK installation file stored on your device. Select Delete and confirm it again to free up storage space. Finally, press the Home button on your remote. You will find the newly installed application inside your device's Apps menu. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.